So I want to tell you how you can get a car with only one inquiry. So if you've got a car before, when you go to the dealership, they'll hit you with like 10 or 15 inquiries. They'll drop your score 70, 80 to 90 to even 100 points sometimes. And it's all because they've hit you with so many different inquiries at one time. But what you want to do instead of going to the dealership and letting them shotgun your credit to a million different people is check with the bank or the credit union that you already bank with. You have a relationship with them. You've been doing business with them. They're going to be more inclined to give you an approval instead of you going to the dealership and getting a million inquiries from a million different people. So what you want to do is just ask them, say, hey, do you guys do auto loans? And if they do, ask them the requirements for it. What's the minimum credit score that I have to have? How many accounts do you recommend I have on my credit before I apply for this auto loan? Do I have to buy a certain type of vehicle? Does it have to be a certain age? Does it have to have a certain amount of miles on it? Just ask them all of those questions so that way you know exactly what you're looking for. Because sometimes we have this dream vehicle in mind and then the bank or the lender that we go to, they might not even finance it. So you want to ask them what their criteria is so that way you know you don't get denied and you don't just waste your time. You always want to go with the person, the bank, the lender, the credit union that you already have the relationship with.